Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today's lecture is about the process of strategic management, in which first we will discuss the basic concept of strategic management, then the phases involved in the successful completion of the strategic management. So today we discuss first with the central idea of the strategic management, that is, this is a set of managerial decisions and actions that can be determined the long run performance of a business. It is a science and an art of formulating, implementing, and evaluating cross functional decisions that enable the organization to achieve its objectives. Its detailed definitions you can see and found in my video related to the definitions of the strategic management. Now we see this is the diagrammatic expression of the process of strategic management. This is the formulation stage and then implementation and lastly the evaluation stage. In the formulation stage, the first step is the idea generation. If you want to do work on some sort of activity, from where you will get the you will get the idea from your friends, relatives, parents, from any social media, or it may be it's your own creation. So when the idea is generated, the next step is to check the viability of the idea, whether this particular project will be feasible, profitable or not from the societal point of view, from economic point of view, from religious point of view, from financial point of view. If you are clear, then the idea is profitable in all respect and it will be acceptable for the society. So you will move towards the setting of the vision statement. In the vision statement, you will mention what you want to achieve or what you want to become in the future. After it, you will set the mission statement. The mission statement will indicate the purpose of your overall activity or the purpose of your organization with respect to its different components like customer, product mix, your business location, your philosophy, needs, etc. And the detailed videos related with the vision statement and the mission statement you can also see on my lecture, on my lectures. After it, you will set the long-term objectives, and the objectives having the life more than 1 year, and the short-term objectives having the life less than 1 year. After it, you will find out the different lines of actions for the achievement of long and short-term objectives. When you will find out, you will evaluate them one by one and then you will select the suitable strategies. This is the line of action for the long-term objectives and the policies for the short-term objectives. Then next you will come on the implementation stage or the action stage, in which the first step is the procedural implementation, that you will find out what are the various processes or steps you will follow if you want to recruit, if you want to select, if you want to start some sort of manufacturing process, overall organizational structure, etc. After it, you will decide about the resource implementation, that for the performance of each and every activity, how much financial resource, how much human resource, how much physical resource will be required, and how you will ensure the availability of all of resources when it will be required. After it, behavioral implementation, in which you will decide about the style of the leadership or style of the manager that he will follow. Overall, the compensation setup according to the rewards or the punishment. Overall level of communication and coordination among various employees, among different stakeholders and between subordinate and superordinate. When all of the resources are clear, all of the processes are clear and the behavioral modes are clear, so all of the functional areas will start their functioning and it will be considered as the functional implementation. After it, we will go to the evaluation or controlling stage, in which first of all the step is the setting of critical control points, which is simply, you can say, we will revise our objectives. That is, what were our objectives when we want to start the work, and then we will measure what we have actually performed. After it, we will make the comparison that what we have actually performed and what were the actual objectives or the targets. If we are doing well, then the objectives, what are the reasons behind this positive achievements, and if we are not doing well, we were failed to achieve the objectives, that what were the reasons behind it. And we will find out reasons on the both sides, and then we will take the corrective actions when the required, whether it is required to change the human resource, financial resource, are required to change the objective, are required to change the market, are required to make the changes in the customer, are required to make the changes in the product. We will search all the points and then take the action accordingly. So these were the stages of the strategic management, that is the formulation, implementation, and the evaluation. I hope you will understand it. Thank you and Allah Hafiz.